In this video, I am going to explain you about a very easy to learn skill, and that is called WordPress development. WordPress development is very easy to learn. Even a school going kid can also learn, and they can also start making websites using WordPress. Yes, WordPress is a platform on which you can design or develop websites and blogs. Now, after learning, how can you learn WordPress? By the way, you can learn WordPress through YouTube and Google as well. How much time it takes to learn WordPress? I would say 7 days you will be able to learn, but 10 days you can easily make a website also on WordPress platform. Who can learn WordPress? There is no age limit, there is no qualification requirement also to learn WordPress development. Even a school kid can also learn WordPress, but if you are applying for job, I would suggest graduation will be an added advantage. If you are a graduate, use YouTube and Google, learn how to design a website on WordPress, and you can start searching for WordPress developer jobs using job portals. In Hyderabad, there is a huge requirement for WordPress developers. To become WordPress developer, you need not have to be a gem or an expert in coding as well. Without coding also, happily and very easily you can start designing websites on WordPress platform. As I told you, in Hyderabad there is a huge requirement for WordPress developer. Now you tell me from which city you belong to, and have you heard about WordPress development career before? If you have not heard about this career, let me know in the comment section. I will create a detailed roadmap career video for WordPress development and or WordPress developers. So how do you like this video? Let me know in the comment section as well. If you liked my intentions, please click the like button and share this video with your friends and family members also, because they will get an idea. Okay, there is a career that is easy to learn. It will hardly take 7 days or 10 days to learn and expertise a particular skill, and very easy to learn, and there is huge opportunity for this career. So your friends and family members will also understand about this career. Share this video with them as well. Thank you so much. My name is Sushmita and you're watching my English channel, Sushmita Madhu. Namaste.